Hey book creators, in this video I'm going to show you how you can assign a book in your library to all the students in the library. The first thing you want to do is you want to make sure the book you're assigning is in the library. So move a copy of that book to the library and then make sure your students are in the library. You can just click Add Students to Library at the top of the screen, project the code onto the board in the front of the room, or copy this invite link and put it in your LMS. That will get students into the library. To assign the book, just click the Share button in your library and select Assign. You'll see the title here. You can then decide if it's assigned to everyone or selected students. Then you get new choices. One is that you can now hide your teacher book. This will prevent students from getting confused about which book is theirs and which book is yours as the teacher if you turn this on. And you can now also lock pages. This can prevent students from adding, deleting, or reordering the pages in the book. This will make it easier in some cases for you to review and grade. Once you're happy with your selections, pick Assign, and now each student will receive a copy of that book for their very own.